If you're still typing your prompts into AI tools by hand every single time, you're doing it the hard way. Hey, my name is Nico, and typing these prompts was so frustrating to me. Let me show you what I changed to get rid of this frustration. So first of all, we all know a good prompt is the key to getting the most out of AI. Typing a system prompt, a detailed instructions, a multi-sentence request into a text box, that's a high friction activity. It slows you down, it breaks your thinking, and honestly, it's the biggest reason most people don't get the depth out of AI that they could. There are probably exceptions out there, and I'm sure if that's you, well, this is probably not for you. But for all the others out there, here's what I changed. So first of all, you have a great idea. You know exactly what you want to ask, and then you sit down to type it, and half of it could evaporate. Or you write something short, because writing something long feels like a lot of effort. And then you get a shallow answer or something that's completely wrong back. So the bottleneck in that part isn't AI, it's the text box. And there's quite a simple fix. Stop typing, start talking. Most people speak 3 to 4 times faster than they type. And when you're speaking, you tend to give more context, more nuance, which means dramatically better outputs. Does it feel awkward to sit in front of your computer talking to it? Maybe, but it's definitely worth it. There are 2 ways that I want to show you. One is completely free and most likely already on your system. And the other one is what I actually use every day. So the first one, Windows and macOS have built-in speech to text. On Windows, you just press Windows key and H. A toolbar pop-up appears and you're live. Start talking, it transcribes in real time into whatever field is active. It works, it's free, and it's already there. So if you've never used it, try it today, and it'll change your workflow already. But here's what I want to show you, something I like a lot more. On my Stream Deck, I have a single key assigned to a plugin called Speech to Text. It's on the Elgato Marketplace, and it's paid unfortunately, but it's definitely worth it. Here's how it works. You press the key once, and you can see on your Stream Deck that the key turns to a red microphone. That's your signal. You're recording. Talk as long as you need, no time pressure. When you're done, you press the key again. If you need to pause in the middle, just do that and keep recording. Because the audio is run through a local whisper model afterwards on your machine. Nothing goes to the cloud, everything stays local. And within a moment, the transcribed text lands directly in your clipboard. Now in the plugin settings, you get to decide what happens at that point. Option 1, the text stays in your clipboard and you decide where to paste it manually. Option 2, it pastes directly into the text box that is currently active, which could be AI, email, chat, whatever. Or you can choose to automatically paste and hit enter. So speak, press, done. No hands on the keyboard at all. So if you're spending any real time working with AI, whether it's writing prompts, giving feedback, drafting instruction, get this into your workflow. Windows 8 if you want to start free right now, and the text-to-speech plugin on the Stream Deck. You can also use a hotkey with Windows 8 on Stream Deck. So stop letting the text box be the bottleneck for you when it comes to working with AI. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.